We live in a rarefied time. Blockchain is exploding again. The bull market be upon us. The other amazing thing about this is the amount of data out there. Through various APIs, on-chain data itself, and mixing a bit on-chain data, we can learn an amazing amount of any project. Or at least we can pull in a lot of data around any project. The service we provide to our customers is turning that data into information, letting them know what is important, and distilling it down past that to why these risks are important. Why these risks are important in the kind of zeitgeist of counterparty risk, market risk, liquidity risk, finding risks in contract, sifting out stuff that is difficult for the average user to find, and communicating that in a clear and effective way to the customers of these protocols. Fidesium has built an incredible risk engine. We take in information about the market, the liquidity, the distribution of whales, the history of the company, the wallets that funded and or interacted with the project, a ton of information about the contract. We run simulations on it, do static analysis, check it for any flaws or bugs. We are constantly adding to our library of new and unusual exploits. And we also check AML, anti-money laundering, for wallets that interact with protocols or have funded protocols. And we dig deeper than the first couple levels. We check it against multiple sanctioned entities lists, as well as run it through our own kind of special blends, looking for suspicious activity. Beyond touching a mixer, have they tumbled the funds themselves? We then take all this information, and with my co-founder's brilliant, almost decade worth of history in InsurTech, we use actuarial methods and linear regression to return a risk score. We then bundle all this beautiful risk report you see here right now, into an automated risk assessment that buttresses the current audit system. Right? Audits happen once, maybe twice a year. They're expensive. The turnaround time is very long. What Fidesium is able to provide is a monthly, daily, weekly, whatever interval of time you need to help you instill that trust and communicate that clearly to the people using your protocol, project, or service. On top of that, everything we gather for our risk engine can be delivered via API to these protocols, so that if they want to set in alerts on very specific triggers for risks they are aware of to the functioning of their protocol, we can also supply that. All of this then is minted to an NFT, locked forever in chain, and we keep a historical, provable record of how well the company is doing, how concerned they are about the safety of their money and yours, thereby solving one of the biggest problems in Web3, trust, transparency, and safety. That overall safety of Web3, keeping everybody assets safe. Thank you for your time. We are Fidesium.